Hey, it's me, Garrett, and we're in Cucamonga, California today. Cucamonga. And we are up at the base of the mountains, and we are going to hike up to Etiwanda Falls. Etiwanda Falls. So we're right here. The parking lot, of course, is right there. It costs like $3 for 4 hours or $5 for all day. But we're going to hike up to there. Etiwanda Falls. Day Canyon Wash. Anyway, that building is off the trail, so don't get confused. And this picnic table is way off the trail also. So we're gonna get going. It's about a 2-mile hike up that valley. So it should be fun. Don't let this arrow point you astray. You want to go this way, straight up from the parking lot. Let's go. So the parking lot's right back there. I haven't really gone very far. The group is moving slowly. Told them to go as fast as they can. I'm not worried about catching up. So lower this down here a little bit, but there they are. I hear it's about 1.5 miles, maybe a little less, and if it's just a gentle slope like this, it shouldn't be too bad. There's the kiosk. See it over there? Well, there's the kiosk. Off the trail a little bit. Someone told me it's a loop around, but I don't see the loop. There is this handy arrow pointer. So this way. This way. It's only about 70 degrees here, so it's Fahrenheit. And it's sunny, bright and sunny. Another sunny Southern California day, right? That rock, not that step. All right, we're cresting our first hill. And I see people up there and people way up there. We maybe are gonna go on the other side of those hills, but maybe straight up. Oh, it looks like it's picture day. Picture day, picture day, picture day. First water delivery system. Right there, right there. Well, it's beginning to get a little steeper now. If you look way off in the distance, you can see the power lines and the kiosk. My heart rate's up over 100 now, which isn't that high, but 105, it says. So, and I see people up there where it may even be steeper. So, have fun. That is not that steep. In Norway, the trail was much steeper up to the waterfall there.
So I didn't click on the link.
So we've come to a fork, a multi-forked fork. Multi-forked fork? So that arrow appears to say go that way, but that looks like it's back down. I see everybody going off that way. And over there it says there's a picnic table. And there is, if you go far enough. But I'm not going to walk to it. 500 feet, I think it's more than that. I am going to walk you over to the edge here though, so you can see. I believe it's Etiwanda Creek down there. So you see some concrete down there in the bushes. That's the picnic table. Let's see. That's the creek. And if you listen, and if that plane goes away, you might hear it. Anyway. So back to the trail and up. So the group is getting spread out a little. These two people aren't in the group. And Ashley's way up there sitting down in the shade. Jesse and Austin are way back there. And I hope this is the steepest part. My heart rate's up to 120 now. So, and we got another canyon on this side.
Mine's 133.
But it's a dry canyon. Janet says 133, but her heart beats faster than mine. Of course, these are the San Gabriel Mountains, I believe. San Bernardino Mountains over that way. San Jacinto Mountains over that way. This part of California is very mountainous. Very mountainous. Of course, about 50 miles that way is the beach, and about 50 miles that way is the desert. Well, we've been walking uphill steadily for a half a mile or more. And Austin sees a lizard. Oh, right there. See it?
Rabbits?
Nope.
Did you?
But I tried.
Did you record it?
I'm recording right now.
Oh.
And like I started to say, it's still uphill as far as I can see. Although I can't see very far. Maybe you can see farther if I hold this up.
I got a fake lizard at my house.
And Austin has a fake lizard at his house.
That's gonna bite your head
Looks
off.
like it might be leveling off. I don't know.
It
Wishful thinking.
December 23rd.
Well, you can see better out there now. Let's take a quick detour. So hopefully the falls aren't very high up in the mountain, right?
Probably orange.
So we're out of the area of bushes, blocking our view. So now we can see around us. This is a yucca. Of course, a few weeks ago that had white flowers all over it. And that one's probably from a year ago. But now that's the seed pods. And of course there's the plants, and there's a lot of dead ones out there. We can get a better view down below. So there's a signpost up here, but I don't think it tells us anything other than people have too many stickers and too much time on their hands, right? Now this looks like a trail going off that way, oh, and that way. That's actually a dirt road still. We're gonna go that way, straight ahead. Well, I just checked my heart rate and it's 128 now. And that's my group up there, taking off. I thought they were waiting for me. I'm slow, not because I'm old, although I am old, but because I'm recording and I have to go back and record things. Getting back into the bushes again. Bush tunnel. Yeah, that's me breathing hard. So somebody didn't heed the warning. They brought their dogs. He's picking up the crap. Anyway, so we're at the top of this part of the trail anyway. We're going to do a little bit of downhill. And then I guess the falls are up in that canyon right there. You see? I mean, you don't see the falls. You see where I'm talking. Notice the trees down here now. Looks like a whole forest down there. And I hear water running and birds chirping. Oh, we're really in nature. There's a lot of trash on the trail. I've seen a little bit. Fortunately, people have kept it fairly clean, as they should. I see people off the trail there, so I guess the falls are in that deep green area, straight ahead. I don't know. In case I didn't say it before, I've never done this hike that I know of. I mean, I've hiked in these mountains and all the other mountains around here. Up to the tops of some of them. Not this particular hike.
Ashley, no!
Going to be 63 today.
Smile.
Christina checked and said that's
Smile! Wave!
Smile again, Austin.
Tip your hat!
No, like, okay, whatever.
Good work, guys.
Picture stop. Oh, I guess you saw my bald head now.
stress test.
No, this is your stress test.
It's damp here. So I don't know if it rained here recently. I mean, it rained a week ago. Because it rained at my house. But maybe that's some runoff or something. Here's the trail we came up. Here's the group. I think we're almost there.
I hear water rushing.
I guess I got Austin in trouble by walking over to the edge because he followed me and his dad doesn't want him there. And I see water down there. I don't know if you can, but I can. I could definitely hear it. Some big old pine trees there. So we came up the trail. That little water thing was right down there. And now the sound of water is everywhere. And so are little black flies. Oh. And now I see lots of people, and I mean lots, and trees. So I hear water. Oh, look at this. So, oh, I guess the falls are there.
Hey, stay away from the edge.
This must have looked nice about a month ago when the leaves were yellow. I see a nest up in that one. There's Ashley trying to take a picture. Never give up. Ian. You guys know what you're doing? I'm gonna go this way.
Your mom told me to get water out of your backpack. Just you mean this one?
Can you see that? Whoa, almost fell. And there's another fall there. So I guess maybe from down below they might look better. People have graffiti everywhere. So, that's hiking to Etiwanda Falls in Cucamonga, California. I know the name is officially Rancho Cucamonga now, but I remember it when it was Cucamonga. Of course, I remember Jack Benny too. Anyway, so from Cucamonga, it's me, Gareth, saying bye, and thanks for watching.